Hi, today we talk about pressure switch. Pressure switch is very popular in the industrial and the commercial, but it's simple. Sometimes you don't understand anything, you still can do this job. But in the industrial, we should know three things. Also in the commercial, you should know three things. It's set point, and the increase, and the decrease, and the deadband. Set point. Everybody know yours just a set point activity, the pressure switch. But increase, decrease, sometimes don't care because most time we just increase the human being is most time is pipeline, water line, always increase, make sure pressure switch activity. But in the industrial, sometimes we should have decrease. So that's completely different increase set point setting. Okay, so let's start. Okay, with the set point setting pressure switch. The three things we should know before setting the pressure switch. The gas or liquid of the process line to activate the switch is increase or decrease pressure. Set point. Second, the set point. Set point. Most time, this is the first things we know. Set point. How to set. Third times deadband. Okay, first we talk about increase, decrease. Increase means the process line. The pressure is increased, the activity is the pressure switch. Decrease means the pressure decrease, go down, the activity pressure. But different increase, decrease, your setting different direction. Okay. If you don't know if the process line is increase or decrease, you should ask the operator or engineer or reading the electrical drawing or PID drawing. If the pressure switch look like this, is the symbol normal open, look normal close. This is very popular, the pressure switch. This one is the different pressure switch. Here have two line going pressure. Here has one. Open this one cover inside. You just adjustment. Use the nut adjustment nut. Your adjustment is the pressure switch pressure. Okay. This one is the components. Inside is normal open. Close, normal open is common. Connect wiring, your setting. Okay, most use 24 volts connect. Then go to your adjustment here is adjustment which set point. Okay. We should not increase or decrease. If you're different increase, if you're different increase or decrease, completely different your setting. If you increase process line is reset just below the set point. If you decrease process line, your reset just up to the set point. Okay, so that's why is increase or decrease is relation to the deadband. Deadband. Sometimes we should set deadband, use reset, but most time we just is a pressure switch automation is setting reset point. That means deadband is automatically set. You didn't do anything. Okay. Most time is the pressure switch has the range which pressure is available from this kind of pressure switch. So deadband most time is the 10% to 15% of the range of the range. For example, is 50 psi your set point, but is deadband reset is 5 psi. Okay. Look like this deadband. What means deadband? Deadband is the difference in pressure value between set point, the pressure at which the switch activity, and the reset point, the pressure at which the switch deactivity. Look like this. Look. This set point, this reset point. So reset point, most pressure switch is automatically reset. Some pressure switch you should reset by yourself. Here is C is deadband. Deadband most time is 3 psi, 5 psi, just 10%. Okay, not big deal. It doesn't matter which one, but should have deadband. If you don't have deadband, this alarm always on off. So that's why sometimes people say, why is I set already? Why is alarm is pressure switch always on, always off? On off. That means he set the wrong way. He should know increase or decrease. If you increase the set point, you should give the pressure increase. Good. If you decrease the process line, you should give press decrease. Okay, that's why this. Okay. Here is the pressure switch. This is high pressure switch in here. Is high pressure switch. No pressure switch in here. Okay, this pressure switch in the schematics. Here is the PID drawing. You can find the pressure switch. Pressure switch. Here, pressure switch. Here. Okay, that's it. It's not make big deal. This pressure switch is simple, but you should understand which set point. What's deadband? What's the increase or decrease in the process line? Okay, thank you very much.